segment relationships. After watching this video, I will be able to solve problems involving segment addition and congruence. So first we understand that whenever I have 2 points on a line, I can basically measure its distance. So this is what the ruler postulate means. It's just telling you that if you have a line segment, you can measure its distance. Then I have the segment addition postulate, which is just telling you, hey, if you have a large line segment like this one, and then you break it up into 2 little pieces. So if I say AB is a line segment and then BC is another line segment, I can add up those 2 pieces to get the larger line segment. So if I have a piece of a line and another piece of the line, I can add those up to get the larger line, and that's called segment addition. So using segment addition, I can basically solve for a given information using the given information. So here I have that my line segment QR is 10, and then I have RS is x minus 7. I can set up an equation because I know that QR, line segment, plus RS, line segment, has to equal the entire line, has to equal QS. So this is what the segment addition would look like in terms of geometry. But now if I want to convert that in terms of algebra, I can say, well, what is the distance of QR? 10. What is the measurement or the distance of RS? We're not really sure, but we know it's represented by x minus 7. And what is the distance of QS? We're not sure, but it's represented with the expression 2x minus 6. So now I have an algebraic term, and I can solve this equation with my rules of algebra. So I'm going to combine like terms first. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And I'm going to keep everything else. Plus x equals 2x minus 6. I'm going to move over the 3. So minus 3 on both sides. X is going to equal 2x minus 9. Subtract 2x on both sides. X minus 2x is going to give me a negative x equals negative 9. And then when I divide both sides by negative 1, I'm going to get x equals 9. Here you want to make sure you read the question. It says to solve for x. I have x equals 9, so I am done. For my next problem, I want to find ST. So I want to find the measurements of line segment ST. I need to use segment addition again to identify what my x is. So here I have RS is 5. Then I have ST is 2x minus 7. And my entire line is represented as x plus 2. So in terms of geometry, I would say RS plus ST has to equal RT. And now in terms of algebra, I would say 5 plus 2x minus 7 equals x plus 7. And then we're going to combine like terms. So 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Keep everything else. Then I'm going to solve. So I am going to add 2 to both sides. Leaves me with 2x equals x plus 9. Subtract x on both sides. So 2x minus x is just x equals 9. This time I am not done because I do not want to find x. I want to find the value of ST. So what is ST? ST is represented with 2x minus 7. Well, now I know that x is 9, so I'm going to replace x with the number 9. So ST is going to equal 2 times 9 minus 7. 2 times 9 is 18, so 18 minus 7 gives me 11. So the measurements of ST would be 11. So be careful and read the directions carefully.